All right, welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be the part 2 of installing a hard drive into my laptop. Now, it's kind of funny. I got so excited that I didn't break my laptop when I turned it on that I just ended the video. But what I should have done is show you that my hard drive worked. Now, I was a little bit scared when I opened up File Explorer and looked at this PC to see that my hard drive wasn't there. I have a flash drive in here. It's going to be part of the demonstration today. So I'm just going to go ahead and unplug the flash drive. And basically what I saw was, hey, where's my drive? Um, then I remembered, oh yeah, I'm a computer guy. These things happen. You know what to do. So I'm going to show you what to do if you've installed your fresh, brand new hard drive and you're kind of worried that maybe it's broken. There's hope. It's probably not broken. You just need to format the drive. So I'm going to take you to disk management. The quickest and easiest way that I like to go to disk management is to go ahead and go down to the start menu right down here and right click on it, go to disk management, and give it a moment to load. Down here you'll see a list of your disks. You'll see that I have 3 plugged in, 0, 1, and 2. 0 would be my bootable drive, the one that Windows is installed on. You can see that it's got a couple different partitions on it, but we're not going to go into detail on that today. You can also see disk 1, which has 931.5 gigabytes of available space to use. That would be my 1 terabyte drive. Disk 2, you can tell that it's my flash drive because my flash drive is a 32 gigabyte flash drive and it has 29.25 gigabytes available. Now, what you would do here is normally you would see your drive and you would right click on it and you would do a format. But I've already formatted mine. I already have installed about 400 gigabytes of games and things. I don't really want to reinstall it, so I brought a flash drive to show you what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and make this flash drive disappear using my script that I created, Magician's Secrets. Oh, maybe I'm not. Maybe I'm not a magician. I think I know what I did wrong with that. Oh, I failed multiple times. Let's go ahead and run this Magician's Secret. And it looks like it worked. Let's see if it, yep, you see here now there's a black bar, it's unallocated. If I open up the File Explorer, I go to this PC and I find my flash drive and it won't let me open it. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and right click, do a new simple volume, click on next. I'm going to leave it as the max amount of space available. You can also change what drive letter you want to assign it to, but I'm going to leave it the same. And then finally the volume. I'm not a magician. So we're gonna name this Not a Magician. Or Not a Magic because I ran out of characters. Apparently there's a character limit. What would that be, like 12 or something? There's a technical reason for that. I mean, the field probably only allows for a handful of bytes or bits of information, so you're only allowed to store so many characters in there. But there we go. I have it right there. It is now available. If I go to this PC, I click on Not a Magician, and it's good to go, good to use. Well, thank you. I hope that was quick and easy and painless. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat below. I failed multiple times.